The Eye was at a Ronnie Setzer cruise-in one recent Saturday night to join in the fun and check out some of the classiest wheels you'll ever see.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a good time tonight. I'm your car show host, Ronnie Setzer. It's a party. It's Saturday night.
I told my mom, I said, Mama, I don't care if I work at a gas station. I want to be around cars.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog. You're crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you was high class.
I think a person's favorite car is the one that probably meant the most to him when they were growing up. So I'm going to say, yeah, 68 GTO. And that's my first real car. That was my girlfriend. My granddaddy Setzer was in the automotive side, where my other grandfather was into house painting, boat painting, that type of industry. Almost every year for Christmas, from the time that I can remember, about 8 years old, my mother has bought me a model car. My mother bred that in me. My mother encouraged me. We make it fun for the kids so they're not left out. Wonderful model car contest, great hula hoop competition contest for the kids. The family can bring the family. $20 years. It started as a hobby, and it kept going and going and going. We were advertising the business with the car show part of it. We would paint the cars, take them out there and display them at car shows, and then I started doing the car shows as a sponsor. And then I started promoting further and further, and then I started doing and hosting the car shows, and then I started DJing the car shows, and you take it from there. We give what we call an appreciation trophy for being here. You sign up, you register, you get a trophy, a dash black, a free hamburger, and a cold drink. And you probably spent $5. A Ronnie Setzer t-shirt, hot rodding around town with Ronnie Setzer. You wear it Saturday night, your show is free forever as long as I'm doing the show. So you're going to eat Burger King hamburgers every Saturday if you want them, and a Burger King soda pop every Saturday night if you want it. And all you have to do is wear the shirt. It's not about the money.
You
I've tried to retain that kind of 50s and 60s rock and roll atmosphere. That's what we've done with the jukebox. I don't go anywhere without my raggedy pickup truck and my jukebox. It goes everywhere I go as far as promoting the shows are concerned. If the guy's first car was a Ford, he's a Ford man. If his first car was a Chevy, he's Chevy. If his first car was Mopar, he's Mopar. It's kind of like your first love. In the business I'm in the custom business, and the paint and body aspect that I'm in, and the stuff that I've been lucky to do all these years, I don't care what kind of car you got. I can make it look good. I like all cars. I see the beauty in every one of the automobile makers. I really enjoy it. I call it therapy, because you come out here, you get to hang out with the family and have a good time, and you get to see such a large variety of automobiles and classics and hot rods and street machines and muscle cars and customs, and you get to see the late model with the olds, you get to see the old school and the new school. I mean, it's just phenomenal, the things that you get to see. We've been hosting the Burger King shows now for almost 12 years. It's such a close-knit thing that they want a place to go. And the thing with my programs is it caters to the family. So there's something for everybody, young or old. Our rules are simple. We don't allow alcohol. We don't allow stereo systems. We don't allow spinning tires. We invite anybody to sneak up on us. Try it out. Look at it. Test us out. Walk on up. Sneak in. Drive in. Come see for yourself.